You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this color. It comes from the French word from cherry, the fruit. So it's an intense, slightly purple red shade or hue. The French pronunciation is cerise. In English, either there are two correct pronunciations: cerise red, stress on the ris syllable with an S sound, but it's also correct to say it as cerise red, because in French it's cerise with a Z sound. So cerise red or cerise red, cerise or cerise. Both pronunciations are indeed correct. How to pronounce cerise or cerise, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.